Palladium has lost its value this week. We can see that the price has gone below 1029.54 and the price has continued to lose its value. We can see that this was expected. If you have watched the previous week analysis, you will see that I was expecting that the price will make a bearish breakout going below and targeting this area, and from there the price has formed this bearish breakout going further down, reaching the first support level 946 and then the second one 923. From here the price has bounced back up, going above but not making a bullish breakout above 946.68 as the first resistance level. Week has closed as a bearish candle, and we can see it is just in between this resistance and the support level. And you can see that the price has reached a very important support level 923.36, and there is a bounce which was expected when the price is coming very close to very important levels. Month is currently forming a bearish candle, we can see that, and it has reached a very important support level. From here the price was bounced back up, so we'll see how the price behaves. We have 2 more weeks until this month closes. We will go to the daily time frame to see how the price behaves. Weekly currently shows me the price is in between the resistance and the support, so I need to see the price coming very close to one of these levels to make a breakout, which will be indication of the further direction of the price. Daily time frame currently shows me it is in between this resistance 946.68 and below that is 923.36. Where the price will go? Well, first of all, I am waiting for the breakout. Will it go up or it will go down? This is something that we need to wait. So for now, the status for the next week is to wait until the price makes a breakout in any of the directions. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.